Today, we are looking at a recipe that will flush out your kidney stones and cleanse your kidneys using a single fruit. It's no secret that certain Asian countries with their indigenous medicine have surpassed Western medicine in certain areas. These doctors who practice their native medicine may not be able to tell you how exactly their medicine works in the body in the traditional scientific sense, since their practices are secret and are generally passed down from one generation to another. Today, we're going to share one of those secret recipes with you, especially for kidney stones. Let's get to it. Kidney stones are hard, mineral and salt deposits that form in the kidneys that vary in size, ranging from as small as a grain of sand to as large as a golf ball. Kidney stones can develop when substances in the urine such as calcium, oxalate, and uric acid become highly concentrated and crystallize. These crystals can then stick together and form solid masses, which may remain in the kidneys or travel through the urinary tract. It's an excruciatingly painful experience that we hope none of us get to experience. How are kidney stones treated by these Asian native doctors? They use one fruit. That is all they need. And that one superfruit is soursop. Soursop, or graviola, is a green fleshy fruit that grows in Asia, Africa, the Caribbean islands, and certain places in America. This fruit has gained popularity in the recent times for its anti-cancer properties. This is indeed a superfruit. One soursop fruit contains over 215% of your daily recommended vitamin C intake, as well as antioxidants, and properties that lower both high blood pressure and high blood sugar levels. Soursop is also considered diuretic, flushing excess water and minerals from the body. And its taste resembles a mix of pineapple and strawberry. The recipe these doctors recommend is really quite simple. They recommend making a thick smoothie-like drink from the soursop fruit to be fed to the patient. Simply take a ripe soursop fruit, cut it and remove the seeds, and add the white part of the fruit to 2 cups of water. You can make the smoothie thicker by reducing the water, or make it thinner by adding water. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar or honey to your liking and drink cold. You can even add some lime or lemon to enhance the taste. In hours, this medicinal drink will begin its work and your kidney stones will slowly flush away. It's as simple as that. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more useful health tips that you sure will love.